Hi everyone, I'm David, Beauty Director at Sephora, and I know a lot of you struggle with hyperpigmentation or dark spots or just general unevenness in your complexion. We hear this from you guys in the comment section. So in this video, what we're gonna be focusing on is how to navigate the skincare world and find the great products out there that can really help you to address these concerns, because it can be a little difficult and overwhelming with so many ingredients and so many products out there. We've chosen a select few of products that I think are really fantastic. They're standouts when it comes to really helping you address the concerns of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, all these sort of general skin tone issues. And really what I want to do in this video is talk you through the product, what makes the product great, but also some of these ingredients that you're going to see pop up and how they work so that you're educated enough to make the correct decision for you and in which products are going to work best in your skincare routine. So let's jump right in and let's talk about some fantastic products. Okay, so the first product up is from Sunday Riley, and this is Good Genes, and this is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. This is a very popular product. It has definitely got support behind it because it works and it's an effective product. Now, I think when it comes to these products, one of the things you're gonna find is that it really comes down to the ingredients. So with this one, it's in the name. It's lactic acid, right? We hear it in here, it's an all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So what is that? The name alone can sound a little like, what's acid on my face? This particular ingredient, a lactic acid, is a very effective exfoliant. You're gonna see that a lot in these products because of the fact that exfoliation is a key to showcasing newer, fresher, brighter skin. So when you have an ingredient like a lactic acid, which can effectively and safely remove those top layers of dead skin, dull skin, it reveals a fresher, smoother, brighter skin underneath. Over time, that will in essence, create a brighter dark spot, alleviate some of those appearances of hyperpigmentation. So it really works both twofold. It instantly gives you fresher skin as well as over time creating a better complexion. So what's great about this product is it can actually be used in two different ways. So you can apply about one pump over your whole face and leave it on. You don't have to worry about removing it. Go about applying your moisturizer. Let that lactic acid do its job throughout the day. It's a fantastic way to use this product, but I am reactive and sensitive skin. That's a little tough for my skin to use. So if you are in that same boat, there's another way that you can use this, which I think is really cool and innovative, and it's a way that I actually love to use this product, is as a mask. Double the amount, use 2 pumps of it, apply it like you would a face mask, pretty heavily onto the skin. Let it sit there 10 minutes. I like to leave it a little bit longer. I'm just saying, I'm not supporting that. I'm just saying I like a little extra oomph when I'm gonna do it. Rinse it off and your skin is instantly transformed into a beautiful complexion. It's visibly fresher, brighter looking skin. And again, the same thing, if you use it regularly, over time, it will help diminish the signs of those dark spots and that hyperpigmentation. So next up, we have from Tatra. This is the Violet C Brightening Serum, 20% vitamin C, 10% AHA. It's a lot of words, but here's a sort of recurrent theme you're gonna see with skincare. Now, a lot of skincare brands are making longer names because they want to give you in the name exactly what is active. What is in this product that's gonna benefit you to the concern you have. And here it says it, 20% vitamin C and 10% AHA. So what does that mean to you as a person using it? Vitamin C is a go-to product, ingredient when it comes to sort of anti-aging, brightening, and there's a cute little thing that I've said before that you can always say this to yourself to remember what vitamin C does. It's your BLT, like a BLT sandwich, except it brightens, it lightens, and it tightens. So when it comes to something like hyperpigmentation or dark spots, that brightening aspect and that lightening aspect that can come from vitamin C is very helpful over time to reduce the appearance of that dark spot, that hyperpigmentation patch. And that's what you're looking for. So this has 20% high grade quality, and Tatra is definitely known for the quality of their ingredients of vitamin C, which is gonna do all that great stuff for you. Plus, it's got a 10% AHA. So what's an AHA? That's an alpha hydroxy acid. Again, just like before in the previous product, we're getting into an acid here because exfoliation is something that will always be used to make your skin look better, younger, smoother, and clearer, brighter, all those things. So when you incorporate the mixture here of this 20% of vitamin C with that 10% of an AHA, you're getting an instant exfoliation to the skin. So it's gonna remove all that top dead layer of skin cells that you don't want being treated with the 20% of the vitamin C. I don't wanna put the good ingredients on the bad skin. Why? Why waste it there? What you want to do is you want to get rid of that stuff so that vitamin C can really get to that younger, fresher skin to make even more of an impactful effect on whatever concern you have. So this is a great pairing of two ingredients that work together so nicely and in such a great way. And this is a nighttime product. So it's gonna work not only with these two ingredients together, it's gonna work during the night when your skin is in its reparative, regenerative state. So it really combines so much together to make a powerhouse serum that's very lightweight. Anyone can use this. It's good for oily down to dry skin because you won't feel anything. It's absorbed right into the skin. And it's working with your skin's own rhythm of when it needs to heal. Now, as a little tip, just in general, for me, I have reactive sensitive skin. Any of these products, any products that have active ingredients, I like to introduce them into my skincare routine at night because I find that at night, your skin is more willing to make friends with new products. It's like, hey, how are you? How's it going? Are we friendly? Do we like each other? Do we not like each other? It's just a great time to incorporate it to tell whether or not that product works for you and works with your skin. And then if it's a daytime product, you can incorporate it later on in the daytime. So up next, we have a classic product. This is from Murad, and this is their Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. Now, this product has been around for a while, guys, and it has not changed. I mean, I remember when I was in store at 34th Street, this was around. So it's been a while. It's been a chunk of years that this has been around. If a product lasts that long and does as well as this product has, usually, again, it's doing something really good. So what is it that makes this product special? This product contains in it 2% hydroquinone. Now, some of you may be familiar with this. Some of you may not. You may not know what that is. Hydroquinone is the only FDA-approved ingredient for lightening the skin. So what you're getting in here is 2% of hydroquinone, which is the maximum amount that you can get in an over-the-counter product, and it is known to fade the look of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and the like. So how does it work? What hydroquinone does is it basically interrupts or interferes with your body's overproduction of melanin. Melanin is what causes darkness on the skin, and it tends to cluster. That cluster is what creates a dark spot, a dark patch, hyperpigmentation. When you introduce something that has hydroquinone into your skincare, it interrupts that, it interferes with it, so it stops it from happening, thereby allowing the appearance of this dark spot to fade over time, as well as inhibiting the appearance of newer formations. So this is a very effective way to treat this issue. What they have also done that Dr. Murad was very smart with, again, added a glycolic acid. This is how you get that rapid, where it says here rapid age spot in the name, removal, because that glycolic, again, swiftly exfoliates all those top layers of dead skin cell and allows the ingredients here to penetrate deeper and quicker. So it's giving you a faster result because of that exfoliation process, which is very smart, and we're seeing that a lot, and that's a key element in making sure that you're addressing this issue correctly. Also, with this product especially, and with everything else, I gotta say, guys, use an SPF. These should all be used in conjunction with an SPF. One, a lot of these are exfoliating your skin down, which is leaving you a little more susceptible to burns and the like. Just use an SPF for that. And also, why would you take the time and the effort to really clarify and brighten your skin and then go out into the sun and cause more damage? So just work smarter, not harder. Put that SPF on. It's just a really great step in your skincare routine to prevent any further damage and to really accelerate and help out any of these products be as effective as they possibly can be. So I have to say that. I mean, I got to blanket that out there. I know you guys should know that by now, but I still got to address it. Okay, so up next we have from Caudalie, and this is the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. And this is a fantastic lightweight oil-free serum that's really good at brightening the complexion. Now, if you know anything about Caudalie, Caudalie is all based on grapes. So the owners had a vineyard. They saw how some of these grapevines can like last forever and they just don't seem to age. And they took that and they kind of went in scientifically and started pulling out ingredients from either grapes and grape seeds and grapevines. And in this case, a grapevine extract. And it's called viniferine. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. Forgive me, Caudalie. But all you need to know is that it's a great ingredient that mimics and is very similar to what vitamin C does. So it has all those similar capabilities of brightening and lightening and tightening. It's a naturally derived, and also what I find with Caudalie in general with their products is they're really good for people with sensitive skin. There's something about the grape ingredients, the grape-derived ingredients, that I personally have found, not only on myself, but on people that I work on, works really well with sensitive skin. It has a very calming kind of feel to it. So one of the other ingredients in here that's really great is an olive squalane, which is a big word. You don't really need to know that word exactly. What you do need to know is that it's great at moisturizing the skin. So it's really gonna make sure that your skin is well moisturized, it's gonna look plump, it's gonna look youthful, and it's really great underneath makeup. I use this a lot of time on set. If a model has a bit of a duller complexion, maybe they haven't been taking great care of their skin, if I apply this and then a moisturizer, it's like their skin plumps up, it looks glowing, it looks hydrated. It's a lightweight formula too that's easily absorbed and there's no greasiness. So I can use this on everyone from dry skin to oily skin. So it's a great all-around product with instant benefits as well as over time benefits. And it's really nice to have that sort of naturally derived ingredient in there. So it feels like it can be a little bit more softer and gentler on the skin if that's a concern of yours. Definitely a great one. Caudalie, really, really good. Okay, so up next from Korres, we have their Wild Rose 15% Vitamin C Spotless Serum. This is a really innovative product. Now, again, like I said, a lot of these skincare brands are putting the key ingredients right in the name so you know exactly what you're getting into. So here you know you're getting a great vitamin C product. Now, Korres is really known for their naturally derived ingredients. They really like to pull things from nature and from vegetables and fruits and all these things. And in this case, they're pulling it from Wild Rose. So this is a bi-phase serum. So what does that mean? That means there's two phases. There's a top phase and a bottom phase. Now the top phase is a Wild Rose oil, and that's where you're getting that really high grade, gentle yet effective 15% vitamin C. So we know, right? I talked to you earlier, your vitamin C's are your brightens, your lightens, and your tightens. So it's definitely gonna help reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation over time. It's really gonna work on just generally uplifting your complexion. Now on the bottom half, you have a water-based complex that's a powerhouse brightening complex. So it's filled with naturally derived ingredients in a water-based solution that will be easily absorbed and also work in conjunction with that wild rose oil and that vitamin C to really help with your concerns. Now, one of the things you want to know about this is oil and water don't mix. That's why you have a biphase. That's why you can see the two phases. And what you want to do every time before you use this is shake it. You really want to give it a good shake, same way you would your salad dressing. I know it's not the best analogy, but it'll make you remember it. Shake it up. Shake away your spots, whatever you want to think to remember that. Shake it up so that you get a good mixture in it. When those two components get together, they work deliciously in conjunction with each other. And up next, we have from Dr. Dennis Gross, this is the ferulic acid and retinol brightening solution. Right in the name, you're hearing what's in here, retinol and ferulic acid. So what does this mean for you? Retinols in general, retinols, retinoids, they are all derivatives of vitamin A. Vitamin A in this form is known in beauty, especially topically applied, to really help with cellular turnover. It is an ingredient that has been used a lot because of its effectivity in that turnover and bringing fresher, younger skin cells to the surface. That really helps in all aspects of aging, whether it's texture, darkness. So in this case, what Dr. Dennis Gross has done is he's incorporated a retinol in here, and this is a high-grade retinol, and he's incorporated a ferulic acid. So what's a ferulic acid? That's basically a plant or natural derived powerhouse antioxidant. This is antioxidant like it is a strong antioxidant. So we know antioxidants help to fight free radicals, help fight the damage that we get on our skin, and also internally, right? You know, you need to eat fruits and vegetables because they have a lot of antioxidants in them. It helps internally fight the free radicals. Same thing on your skin. So when you're putting something like a ferulic acid on your skin, you're really putting a layer of really strong powerhouse antioxidants to sort of defend your skin from outside aggressors, any of those things that can cause damage. So some people, when it comes to retinol, can be a little nervous because they think it can have a little bit of an adverse reaction, and it depends obviously on the intensity of it. But what Dr. Dennis Gross has done so brilliantly is incorporated this ferulic acid as well as some other ingredients in here. So you get the full effectiveness of the retinol, but it's a softer and gentler approach. So even someone who has more sensitive or reactive skin, like myself, can use this. I will definitely say with this, as with any retinol ingredient in any product, here you have to use an SPF. Retinol, the way that it works to cellular turnover, it definitely leaves your skin more susceptible to the sun. So just protect it. So a lot of these ingredients, I really wanted to make sure that you guys were familiar and comfortable with them, whether it's, hydroquinone or retinol or the acids and the AHAs, because they are really helpful at reducing the appearance of some of these dark spots or pigmentations, and they can be a great addition to your skincare routine that will really give you the results you're looking for. So if you guys love any of these products, or if you're using them currently and you just have to rave about them, please let us know in the comment section below, because I love to hear personal stories about how, a skincare product worked so great. I think that's a big part of how we learn about skincare, right? We hear reviews. We hear somebody say, hey, I used it and it was great. So I think that that's a great thing, and I would love to hear from you guys. Or if you have any more questions about these products, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. You guys see me out there. I'm on the interwebs. I'm answering your comments. I'm trying. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you guys can get new videos from us every single week like this. And obviously, listen, we are listening to those comments and we're trying to bring you guys. We've heard a lot about hyperpigmentation. So if there's more that you want to know about, a specific concern or something, also leave that in the comments, because we are paying attention, guys. And until next time, have fun exploring your skincare aisle at Sephora, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.